Mountain slayers. You slay it. Amashare Kalinzu. Kalinzu. And by will organize it soon.
5 meters. Abajugana be abena ni abesilula bawuta nanga wote pakujia waketa mu worship in the bush, worship in the wild. Paka wanasonda abana ni mwali ayi tele ikali kwa ya kazi shanda ya sisi shanda nasi gani